Hey guys, welcome to Food Treasure. Today we are doing another curry in a hurry, which is gonna be today is prawn curry. So let's begin with the ingredients. So on the ingredient we have 500 gram of the tiger prawn, 1 whole fine diced onion, 300 gram of canned diced tomatoes. We have a teaspoon of garam masala. We got here 3 cloves of garlic, which is finely grated, and about a spoon of ginger, which is finely grated too. We got 2 spoons of oil. We got here half teaspoon of tamarind, 400 ml of coconut cream, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We got 2 tablespoons of chili paste. You got some salt, black pepper, and for the garnish we got some coriander and shallots, which is finely chopped. This is for our garnish. Let's begin with the cooking. We got our pan on heat, starting with the oil. Oil, we're gonna make sure we spread all over. Then we gonna add the onion and garlic. So let's fry them all. Fry them all till it hit the golden brown color. As you can see, the color is changing lightly to golden. So now we can add our prawn. As we all know, the seafood not going to take longer to cook. It's not like the chicken or beef or meat. So we just can toss it up. And now we're gonna put the garam masala and the turmeric. To get the fragrance out of it. So while you're cooking the seafood, make sure you got on the high heat. And leave it for a bit. Alright, as you can see, you got like the light, the color of this raw prawn a little bit under, because we still gonna cook for a while. Not only the prawn, we can add the cream into it, the coconut cream. So I'll let it boil. Once it starts simmering, so we can add this tomato into it and mix it all through, and we continue cooking for a while. As you can see, after cooking about 5-6 minutes, so all the sauce thickened enough, and then we got the nice beautiful gravy. You can see that. So now we can add our salt. The salt, I'm not gonna tell you how many spoons. If I say that to you, it's going to be quite stupid, because Some people like more salt, some prefer less salt. It's all up to the person. I got the chili, adding the chili here. So I got the pepper as well. The tamarind sauce. The tamarind sauce is gonna give a little bit of sourness, and as you can see, we got the tomato here, which give a bit of sourness, and tamarind, which will do the same thing. And then we got the cream, the coconut cream. The coconut cream is sweet itself, so we got everything there, which will give the beautiful nice texture. So it's now good to go. Our beautiful prawn curry is ready to serve. And we got the garnish. Previously I saw that in the video before. Good to go.